Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can pin a chat on Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. We can click on this icon to open up the Instagram DM, and we can select a personal chat or a group chat we want to pin. And for instance, I'm going to pin this a personal chat. We can tap and hold on it, then click on pin. And I'm going to pin my group chat as well. This is my group chat I want to pin. So we can tap and hold on it, then click on pin. Okay, and if you want to unpin, you can do the same thing. You just need to tap and hold on it, and then you can click on unpin. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to pin a chat on Instagram direct messages. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!